Unraveling Mea Culpa, a journey through language. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, mea culpa. This is a phrase you might have heard in English conversations, movies, or books, and it has a rich history and a specific way of being used. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the world of mea culpa and learn all about it. Mea culpa is a Latin phrase that translates directly to my fault or my blame in English. It originates from a longer Latin phrase used in Catholic prayers, mea culpa, mea culpa, mea maxima culpa, which means through my fault, through my fault, through my most grievous fault. Even though it's a Latin phrase, mea culpa is widely used in English to express acknowledgement of one's fault or error. It's a way of taking responsibility for a mistake. When using mea culpa in English, it's typically used as a standalone phrase or as part of a sentence to admit guilt or take responsibility for a mistake. Example 1. After realizing he had forgotten his friend's birthday, John said, mea culpa, I totally forgot. Example 2. The company issued a statement saying, mea culpa, we made an error in our previous report. Here are the correct figures. Notice that in both examples, the person or entity is acknowledging their mistake and taking responsibility for it. Mea culpa is considered a formal and somewhat old-fashioned way of admitting fault. It's more commonly used in written English, particularly in formal apologies or admissions of guilt. However, it can also be used in spoken English, often with a tone of sincerity and solemnity. It's not a phrase you would use for a small, insignificant mistake. It's typically reserved for situations where the error is significant and the person is genuinely apologizing. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, mea culpa. We hope this video has shed some light on its origin, usage, and the tone in which it's commonly used. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding the nuances of phrases like mea culpa can help you communicate more effectively. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!